So when I was a kid, I loved birds. I wanted to be an avian veterinarian, but I didn't like biology and I also don't like blood. So I actually went into music, and then partway through I decided that I wanted to do software because I loved video games. So my interests did change over time. I love video games. I got into modding video games, and that's how I initially got exposure to programming languages. So I looked into it and I decided to go to school for it.
My first career was a hairstylist, and the whole time I felt like there was just something else out there for me. I just didn't know what it was. I ended up coming to York County government to work, and my job throughout the county progressed from answering phones and public information. So a large project was placed in my lap to build a website, and I absolutely fell in love with it.
Initially, I was working as a software engineer in the field, and then I decided I wanted to start my own business because there's less creative freedom when you work for someone else versus yourself, and that's what I really wanted, is that freedom.
Working with the web, you can be very creative. It's so interesting to be able to have that immediate gratification of seeing your work play out. Anything from adding a graphic or information, you know, it's there, it's live, it's accessible from anywhere, and being able to provide that information is just really rewarding.
In programming, it's all about problem solving. You know, everything that you do is a problem that you have to solve.
You just are constantly trying to learn new things and implement new technology, and it's really exciting to be a part of that.
Being a software developer is more than just being able to code. It's very challenging, but the most challenging part is being able to communicate to people and make sure that they feel valuable and understood.
I've had two wonderful mentors in the county, and honestly, they are the reasons why I ended up where I am. Having that person just support you and that you can learn from really helped my career.
Programming is a really, really great field. There's a lot of jobs and it pays really well. And you can really take that skill anywhere you want to go. And I mean, for me, that kind of freedom was really important.
It's going to be interesting to see where the web goes in the future. It has evolved so much over the years, and every day is something new. I really enjoy my job.
Do a little research and, you know, get a good head start. You know, start programming if you think you're interested in it. Really just try it out and see if you like it before you do it, you know, but you don't know until you try sometimes.